Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Morning. 오늘은 머리도 안 하고 그냥 청바지 입고 나왔습니다. Kind of looks good here. Do you think? What do you think? Good morning. So we're here at Fashion Island and I'm at the parking lot and it's 10:35, so I have like 25 minutes left till they open, and we're gonna get some candles and maybe scents here because the place that we go, it's only in Fashion Island. I never seen it anywhere else, so we're gonna go get that today. That's our plan.
그래? 마스크 벗고
You don't need to ask me about my day. Yeah, I know what you came for. It's okay. Let me take you high.
Hi. Thank you.
Yeah, no
Have a good day.
TD. So I'm just wearing Uniqlo. This is a long time ago. I told you so many times on my videos that I wear this black one, white one, and the beige one, and I have a gray one, and I have like a neon yellow. So this is collab with Alexander Wang, which was about 2 years ago, I believe, or 3 years ago. And I bought tons to keep because I knew it's not going to come out again. So just wearing that white tee, like a top. And this is Acne Studio leather jacket that I'm wearing. And on the bottom, this is the new track that I showed you guys the last video from Aritzia. I actually washed it and dried it and it shrunk a little, and what I did was fold it twice on the bottom, so it's not too long, which was kind of ugly on my body with like track. On the bottom I have the Onitsuka tiger shoes. Since I wore like the blue jeans, it has like a blue stain, but whatever, it's comfy. So I'm going to Nike because Oprah needs to get something. It's not for me, so, but I get to have pizza. We are on our way to San Clemente.
사람 없다. Hi.
Alright. I can take that. Thank you. Thank you.